In this course, we're gonna learn how to make medium oak wood imitation, made by Kalma. First, we're gonna sand the panel. After sanding, we're gonna primer the panel in a medium oak color. In this example, we're gonna use the international color code RAL 1024. We're gonna plaster the panel to create a smooth surface. After sanding and cleaning the panel, we're gonna paint it with a high gloss paint. Now we're gonna make a mixture of acrylic pigment and a transparent acrylic glaze paint. In this project we're gonna use different kind of pencils, brushes and spotters. Also different kinds of metal combs. We mix the pigment with the glaze paint. Apply the mixture on the surface that you want to imitate. Divide the mixture with a whipping brush. Use the same whipping brush to make the grains. Now we make the grains finer with the steel combs. Now we're gonna make a mirror. We're gonna do exactly the same as before. Be sure you hold your pink like this. Divide with the whipping brush. Draw the grains with the whipping brush. Comb the work with a steel comb. When we are making the mirror, we can use a cloth or a cork. Always work uneven. First we're going down. Then we make the mirror going up. Finishing it with some planing errors. Now we're gonna make a flame. Use a clean brush to brush away the mixture to create the flame. Soften it with a hard brush. Et voilà!